Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for so long and I'm back because life been kicking your girl ass, and plus my phone, I ain't got no storage on it, so I've been having to delete everything on my phone to try and record stuff, because I was gonna show you how I start this week, but my phone was not working, so I didn't even record it because I couldn't. But today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my own lashes at home. Really cheap and affordable. Everything you can either get from the store or on Amazon. So I'm using this company right here it's called Lash, and it's from Amazon. I got like a whole bunch of these. These are like beginner friendly. You can make easy fans with these. Like, these are so easy to make fans with. So these are like for beginners. Do not use these on y'all clients because these really ain't all that. And oh my god, I got some spoolies, Amazon. This I got from the Lash class I took from right here. That was like last year ago. So she gave us like some free little tweezers or whatever. And I'm using this glue right here. Now, if you used this glue before and you did not have no problems, use this. Now, if you use this and you have some problems, use regular lash glue from the British Spot store. Do not use these because this is lash adhesive and this will burn your freaking eyes, so do not use those. So I'm gonna be using this. And if you can't use this, use the regular lash glue from British Spot store. And now I'm gonna show y'all how I do my own lashes at the house. But I'm finna use a length 16, 17, 18, and 19. I'm using 16 in my inner corner, 17. I really can't explain where 17 gonna be. It's like really close to the inner corner, like right here. Hold on, poke myself in my eye. And then 18 probably gonna be in the middle, then 19 gonna be at the ends because that's the longest one. So I showed y'all which ones I'm using. Like I said before, don't use these on your regular clients because these lashes really ain't that good because they came off Amazon. So don't use these on your client. I just lay them on this thing so I can like get them off easily when I'm doing my lashes by myself. So I laid all of my lashes out. I have 2 17s, 2 18s, 2 19s, and 2 16s. So I'm gonna start off with my 16 in the inners, and then I'm just going on from there. So now I'm gonna just lay the glue on this empty, well, it ain't empty, but on this tray, this extra tray that I'm using. And I'm just gonna go on from there, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. The only thing I don't like about using this because it dry real fast. You gotta use like a lot. So this one I got this big old tube. So, and I gotta show y'all how to make a fan. And I don't know how I want to do that. So I get like a little piece. I'm not gonna put this on, I'm just gonna show y'all how to do it. A little piece, pull it, and squeeze it like this. I ain't made fans in so long. But that's not bad how I did it the first time. So it's gonna look like this. And then you just gonna dip it and then do it like that. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. The fuck? So my room is haunted because I just recorded me doing this and it is no footage on my phone of me doing this. So now I have to look at this camera. I'm watching it. This is why I ain't been doing no videos because my phone is acting stupid. I think I need to get me a new phone. But yeah, I'm watching you, bitch. So I'm gonna just put this under my lash. And I'm using a 16, as you can see. So now, hopefully this shit doesn't go away and we can continue this video. Because when I put it on, I looked up. My phone is on the back camera. How is it on the back camera? I'm on the front camera. So whoever is in this room, I'm sorry to tell you. I didn't do nothing to you. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna give my mama sage and sage this room down. No bad energy. I mean, I do have a guest in my room. She probably bringing this energy in my room. Because I've been I never had this happen to me before. So, yeah. Good vibes only, babes. You gotta get out.
I'm sitting over here eating ice cream. How better of a vibe can you get?
You said it's your grandma. You and your grandma needs to roll. Sorry, Granny. Don't come get me. But
She probably gonna get you a shit.
but as y'all can see, I'm using my 16, girl. I look good already. So this is what I'm gonna do. Cause some people use like real thick lashes in their inner corners. Like when they be having like the thick old lashes and they eyes be like bright red and stuff. They be ugly. I don't know why I be wasting y'all money on it. Like I could do it. That's really why I stopped wearing 25mm lashes, because you looking like a bird. I didn't know I looked like a bird until I saw all my old high school pictures with the fucking lashes on. I was like, whoa. I thought I was the bitch. I can't believe I was selling those to people. Come get y'all money, baby. I'm just playing. This shit gone now. Okay. I don't want it to be too thick. So I feel like this. Okay, I'm probably gonna put like a little small one right there. But I'm gonna start my 17s. So I really just do my whole eye, and then when I'm done with the eye, I just go back over and fill up like in the spaces and stuff, because I don't want to waste no time. I want to make this video too long, not too long. So now I'm gonna do my 17s. Ooh, this one hurt my face. Do my 17s. I'm ready to do the same still. I just did my 17, like real close to my 16. As you can see, it's like gradually getting prettier. And I have to lay my lace back down. It's lifting. Don't be looking too hard, cause I ain't a professional. I can't do her like that. I tried, and as you can see, it look good. It just lifted, cause I'll be laying my hair down sometimes. Don't be laughing at me. I saw you over there giggling and shit. So this is what it looks like for right now. If you can see it that far. Don't look at my mustache. I'm gonna get that off. But still, this my lash look like. Wait for me, 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 wait for Okay, y'all, so I just finished this eye. I couldn't really show y'all everything because my phone is messing up. So I'm about to finish this eye and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when it's all done. As you can see, it's really cute. I like it. So I'm gonna finish this eye and I'm gonna come back, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look of my lashes. I did pop out my lashes. So I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. Get the 16s, then the 17s, then 18s, then 19s. Then I put 16s at the end because I don't like how when people get in lashes done, they put like the real long lengths at the end, and it just look like it's droopy. I don't like it. I put the short one like real close to the end. But yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting another video soon.